The renovation of this classic split-level house from the early 1980s represents a masterful blend of preservation and innovation, transforming a once conventional home into a contemporary space that honors its original architectural intent while embracing modern design principles. The long, angular interior, once confined by low ceilings, constricted staircases, and non-load-bearing walls, has been entirely opened up to create an expansive, airy volume that is rarely found in new Vancouver homes today. This openness not only maximizes the sense of space, but also accentuates the home's inherent character, which has been carefully preserved. The decision to keep the exterior shape of the house unchanged, including the preservation of the original window locations, ensures that the structure's integrity remains intact, even as it undergoes a dramatic internal transformation. The renovation skillfully elongates the windows, allowing more natural light to flood the interior spaces, thereby enhancing the connection between the indoors and the established neighborhood outside. This approach is particularly evident in the addition of corner windows, which provide panoramic views and invite the vibrant surroundings into the home. The thoughtful design choices reflect a deep respect for the original architecture, which, despite being a product of a much maligned era of Western Canadian architecture, possesses a quiet futurism and robust quality that speaks to the lives of the families who once resided within its walls. Externally, the house's simple builder details have been either preserved or meticulously repaired, creating a striking contrast with the modernized interior. This juxtaposition not only highlights the craftsmanship of the original structure, but also dignifies an architectural period that is often overlooked. The project celebrates the best of 1980s domestic architecture in British Columbia, a time when local wood frame building traditions were being reinterpreted in ways that were both innovative and reflective of a century-old heritage. By maintaining these elements, the renovation pays homage to a period of architectural history that, while not universally appreciated, was nonetheless significant in shaping the region's built environment. In an era where faux finishes and unnatural materials have become commonplace in residential construction, this renovation stands out for its commitment to authenticity and longevity. The use of real materials, such as heated concrete floors, raw waxed steel, bleached oak plywood, and sculpted white drywall, ensures that the house will age gracefully, developing a rich patina over time that will only enhance its character. This careful selection of materials and finishes not only adds to the home's aesthetic appeal, but also ensures its durability, allowing it to stand the test of time for the next century. The result is a space that is both simple and complex, where each element has been thoughtfully designed to create a harmonious blend of past and present, tradition and modernity.